Hey YouTube, nice to see you. I'm going to show you another fan today. I'm going to show you an unboxing for, this is the CPU heatsink fan that I'm going to change. If you've been watching me upgrade my old computer, you'll know that I said I was going to change the heatsink fan, which is a smaller fan. I showed you the Sharkoon 80mm fan. This is a 60mm fan, and I'll show you the fitting of it. But this is a Fractal design Silent Series R2 case fan, hydraulic bearing computer fan, so it should be nice and quiet compared to the stock cheaper fan that was in it. The new Silent Series R2 fans are equipped with high performance hydraulic bearings, enhancing both fan performance and expected lifespan. So, rotation speed 3000, plus or minus 10%. Dimensions 60/60 times 25. 7 blades. Noise level 17 dBA apparently. Well, we'll see how quiet it is when we fit it. You can see you get all that info on the box there. It's a nice little box. I paid about £7 for this, so they're not expensive. So if your CPU's fan's making a lot of noise, you might want to buy yourself a new one. Most PCs come with a pretty crappy fan as standard anyway, so they're not expensive to replace. And you want to make sure you get the right size. Mine's is quite a small one. Some of them are much larger than this. And let's see what comes with the kit. Oh, well, it's all falling on the floor. There's the fan there, Fractal. It certainly looks to be much better quality than the one that's in there. And I've got a little connector here. This is that's going to go straight into the motherboard, this one, because this is a PWM controlled fan, unlike the other ones that I just had running at their natural, the speed provided by the resistance of the wire. This one's actually controlled by the motherboard, and I use speed fan to control it. It's a good little free program if you put speed fan into Google, and I might put the link in the description for you anyway. But if you look for speed fan, and if your fans are really noisy, often they don't really need to be running at 100%, and your speed fan will turn them down depending on the actual level of heat in your case. And it's a good program for reducing noise. I don't like noise very much. Now, I've got some screws and some more, and some of those rubber screws. Now, I'm not going to be using either of these, because on my heatsink, the actual fan, all it does is just clip straight on. It doesn't need to screw. It's got little clips. I hope this is going to fit the clips, but I'm guessing it will, and I'll make a video showing myself do it anyway, so make sure you tune in for that if you want to know how to fit one. Thanks for watching YouTube, and it's a nice little fan, it looks like anyway. So if you fancy a new fan, get yourself one of these, Fractal design.